It's Ikra time! So grab your books, come and read with me! We learn new words and how to say them. We learn our punctuation, where commas tell us where we pause. Full stops show us where we stop, and there's so much more. So let's go! I-Q-R-A, Ikra. I-Q-R-A, Ikra. So let's read. Hi friends, welcome back to our Read Aloud sessions. Our story today is The Little Red Hen. Once upon a time, there was a little red hen. The little red hen lived on a farm and was friends with a lazy dog and a sleepy cat and a noisy duck. One day, the little red hen found some grains of wheat on the ground. "Who will help me plant these grains of wheat?" the little red hen asked. "Not I," barked the lazy dog. "Not I," purred the sleepy cat. "Not I," quacked the noisy duck. "Then I will do it myself," said the little red hen. So she planted the grains all by herself. When the wheat had grown, the little red hen asked her friends, "Who will help me cut the wheat?" "Not I," barked the lazy dog. "Not I," purred the sleepy cat. "Not I," quacked the noisy duck. "Then I will do it myself," said the little red hen. So she cut the wheat all by herself. When all the wheat was cut, the little red hen asked, "Who will help me take the wheat to the mill to be made into flour?" "Not I," barked the lazy dog. "Not I," purred the sleepy cat. "Not I," quacked the noisy duck. "Then I will do it myself," said the little red hen. So she took the wheat to the mill, ground the wheat into flour, and carried it back to the farm all by herself. By now, the little red hen was tired. "Who will help me bake the bread?" she asked. "Not I," barked the lazy dog. "Not I," purred the sleepy cat. "Not I," quacked the noisy duck. "Then I will do it myself," said the little red hen. So she baked the bread all by herself. When the bread was finished, the little red hen asked, "Who will help me eat the bread?" "I will," barked the lazy dog. "I will," purred the sleepy cat. "I will," quacked the noisy duck. "No, I will eat it myself," said the little red hen. So she ate the bread all by herself. The end. Now that our story's done, tell me, what did you learn? New words, new sounds, new words. Tell me, what did you learn? The Little Red Hen Glossary. Remember to listen to the pronunciations and understand the definitions. 1. Bake. To cook something using an oven, like making bread or cookies. Pronunciation: bake. 2. Barked. The sound a dog makes, like a rough woof. Pronunciation: barked. 3. Flour. A white powder made from grains, often used for baking. Pronunciation: flour. 4. Grains. Tiny seeds or pieces of a plant like rice or wheat. Pronunciation: grains. 5. Ground. The past tense of the verb grind, which means to crush something into small pieces, like turning wheat into flour. Pronunciation: ground. 6. Lazy. Not wanting to do work or being unwilling to move or put in effort. Pronunciation: lazy. 7. Meal. A place where grain, like wheat, is ground into flour. Pronunciation: meal. 8. Plant. To put seeds or young plants in the ground to grow. Pronunciation: plant. 9. Purred. The sound a cat makes when it's happy, like a soft rumbling. Pronunciation: purred. 10. Quacked. The sound a dog makes, like a quack. Pronunciation: quacked. 11. Wheat. A type of grain that's used to make flour for bread and other foods. Pronunciation: wheat. Vocabulary exercise. Can you make any 2 sentences with any of these words? Give it a go.